Welcome to within. There is nothing outside of you that you need. The light, the clarity, the wind have always lived within. I wake up gently, not from tension, not from worry. I wake up because my body is ready. There is softness in the room. Morning light touches the walls quietly. I stretch slowly and feel my body. Alive, warm, responsive. My breath is deep and calm. I feel good inside myself. I'm not chasing the day. The day meets me. I place my hand on my chest for a moment and feel a steady sense of peace. I am safe in my life. I walk into the bathroom. The floor feels cool under my feet, comforting. I look at myself in the mirror. My eyes are clear. My face relaxed. I smile, not for anyone, just because I feel it. I speak softly to my reflection. I am loved. I am chosen. I'm living a good life. My body responds immediately. A warm wave moves through my chest and belly. I brush my hair slowly. I enjoy taking care of myself. There's no rush. This is feminine abundance. Time attention, presence. I enter the kitchen. Morning light fills the space. Everything feels clean, organized, welcoming. I make a warm drink. The mug fits perfectly in my hands. I feel the warmth travel through my fingers. Into my palms, into my body. There is food. There is choice. This is wealth. I stand by the window for a moment. I breathe. Life feels generous. I feel the presence of my partner. Not loud, not demanding, steady. We move around each other naturally. A gentle touch on my back. A look that says, I see you. I feel respected, desired. Safe. Love here does not drain me. It nourishes me. I don't need to perform. I don't need to explain. I'm enough as I am. There is a rhythm of care in my life. I feel my maternal nature, soft and powerful at the same time. I imagine small moments, helping, listening, holding space. There is patience in my body, trust in my heart. Motherhood here feels supported. I'm not alone in it. There is laughter, routine, warmth. This family life grows naturally. I sit at my table. This is my creative space. Light falls across the surface. Everything I need is nearby. Ideas come easily. I feel focused but relaxed. I create from fullness, not from pressure. Time feels friendly. I know my work matters. I know my presence matters. As evening arrives, the home softens. Lights become warmer. Movements slower. I feel satisfied, not because everything is perfect, but because life feels aligned. I sit quietly for a moment. I feel gratitude rise naturally, not forced, not dramatic, simple. I'm living a life that fits me. Today, I let myself move one step slower. I listen to my body. I choose ease where possible. I act like a woman whose life supports her, because it does. Stay here for a moment. Let this state settle into your body. Carry it with you. Within, the light is already yours.